Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Samuel Okon. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Victor the Analyst. So today we're going to be talking about workforce advancement tracker. So the system will be able to track employee promotion status, confirmation status, and exit status. So how are we going to track our promotion status? This is actually gotten by evaluating our grade level of the employee and the present appointment. So like if the grade level is of the employee is 1 to 6, then the next promotion would be 2 years after the present appointment date. Now if the grade level is from 7 to 14, then the next promotion will be 3 years after the present appointment date. What if the grade level is actually above 14, then the next promotion will be after 4 years. It will be after 4 years from the present appointment date. So let's go to the next one, the confirmation status. The confirmation status is actually very easy. It's just 2 years after our first appointment. That means when you come into the company after 2 years, that is when you have your confirmation date. Now the exit status, this is actually the retirement of the when the employee is set to retire. So how do we get this? This is gotten by evaluating the entry date, and this exit date is actually like I said before, is our retirement date of the employee, which is 30 years of work service. That is, if you want to make up to 35 years of work service, 35 years of work service, definitely there should be like the entry level, that is the entry age of the employee, should be like from 25 below. But what if like from 26 above? Definitely the exit date will be when the employee gets to 60 years. So these are what we want to do. We want to do the exit, we want to do all this. So for you to support me or know this project that I want to do is something that I would take I took my time to do, and the only way you can actually support me is to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. So see you on the other side of the project. Thank you very much.